guys, Britt here from WB Trees Consultants and WBTC3.com. We want to chat with you today about when to replace your curbs. Your curbs don't need to just be replaced when they show damage. They might actually look fine, but they might, to the naked eye at least, they might be showing some beginning surface wear and tear. They might be showing that substrate, that rock as the cement wears away. And you're going to want to replace them on time because they're also becoming brittle over time. They're going to take on more damage, more water over time. You always want to be, our view as an assessment firm is you always want to be ahead of your maintenance schedule. So check us out at WBTC3.com. We'd love to help you out. We're the best firm in the world for small businesses, for hotel chains, for institutions like schools and churches, and for those gnarly jobs that you just need a team of dudes to come and figure it out. Thanks again.